Hello everyone. This is a strategy on the EMA. So this strategy is very simple to use by beginners or even advanced traders or intermediate traders. Very simple. It involves the EMA and the ADX. All right. Very simple strategy. I'll show you guys how to use it now. And of course, it is profitable. All you have to do is follow the rules, and you will definitely see profits. All right. Now, firstly, two simple rules, right? Whenever the EMA is above price, you look for sells. Whenever the EMA is below price, as such, you're looking for buys. Now, when you're looking for buys, whenever price is above the whenever price is above the EMA, you're looking for buys. For example, we have our ADX. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and go to your settings, remove the purple line, right? Remove the purple line. It is not that important. So we want to filter out and just find out what really is important. So as you can see right now, price is so this from here to here. I want you to be very aware that right now price has very low volatility. This is at night, all right? We don't trade at night, all right? Especially if you're not trading JPY related pairs. You don't want to trade at night because there's no volatility and you might not get good trades. All right, cool. So prices is above the our EMA. So we're gonna look for a crossover between our ADX. So whenever there's a crossover, we look for a buy or sell. All right. Now let's get started. So let's say, for example, give me a second. Just gonna go. So this was a night. I'm gonna skip this part because that was clearly at night. So you can see prices below our EMA right here. Just gonna look for a crossover. There's no crossover here. As you can see, there's a crossover right here. Our EMA, there's a crossover right here. So you want to take your sell, put your stop loss at the most recent high, which is right here. And look at that. Had a nice sell. Let's see another one. Try and look for another one. No other one there. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. As you can see, we have another crossover right here. That made sense. So we do have another crossover here, but it is at night. I want to show you guys. This crossover happened at night. All right. And whenever it happens at night, you don't want to take the trade because there's very low volatility in the market. So you want to wait a little bit longer. So we can wait a little bit longer. It's a crossover here, but it's still at night. So we're going to wait a little bit longer. All right, cool. That's the end of price. Let me go back a little bit, see if I can get some more examples for you guys. Get some more examples. All right, here's a good spot to give you examples. You can see where our EMA is above price. We have a nice crossover right here. Right here, we have a nice crossover. So we're simply going to take a trade, take a sell trade, stop loss on the high, target the lows. As such, that was a nice trade. So let's do that again. We have a crossover right here. It's crossover. Right here. Stop loss above the highs. And take a sell trade. That was a, so you could have taken a double trade right here. That was going to be a double trade. Anyway, let's go. There's another crossover right here. Crossover right here. Stop loss over this high. As such, target the lows. That's a good trade. As you can see, let's keep going. Let's keep going. That's at night. That's midnight. We have a crossover again here. Gonna take a sell here, sell right here. Crossover. Stop loss over this high. target this lows, and there we go. There we go. That's how simple the strategy is. Try it out. Let me know how it's going for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.